Hey guys, Ryan here, and I'm unboxing Spyrise. I just got them from Toys R Us. Yeah, let's open them up. Let's see. See what opening over here. Open them up. Okay, let's get Spyrise. This is a different packaging from the US. I'm not sure where it's from. Yes. I'm gonna put all the trash in the bag. Okay, let's get out the top half. Spyrise. Here's the top half of Spyrise. And here's the bottom half of Spyrise. I have Spyrise in my hands. Let me get the card and code sticker thing. What the heck is this? Oh, it teaches you how to swap. Oh yeah, I have this little packet that teaches you how to swap the Skylander. Okay, let's check out the card, the code card. Don't see the code. Spyrise, and let's check out Spyrise's card. 120, 120, 120, and 130. Take a look at Spyrise once more. Got some pretty good detailing, like they can shoot stuff out. Spidery legs. Goggles you can put on. Check out the back details. His Swap Force mobility thing is he can climb. See, he's gonna climb right now. Yeah. So thank you for watching my Spyrise unboxing, and I'm also gonna do a Mixels unboxing soon. So yeah, see you guys later.